guys, so we are at the OC Fair today and we're gonna go around and see what's new. We're gonna do some pig races today and maybe we'll try some rides out today. Come join me on this fun adventure. Let's go. Okay, we're going into the Orange County Centennial Farm where we're gonna see some cows. Let's see. Oh, look at, hi Mr. Cow. Oh no, you're not a cow, you're an ox. An ox or a bull?
I think it's a bull.
It might be a bull. I'm not sure.
Well, that's gonna be here for the next hour. Hey, cows. Yo.
Hi, girl. Hi, girl. Hi. You're so cute. So cute. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you are. You're beautiful.
You guys are my dinner later.
No, don't say that. He didn't mean it.
Oh, I meant it.
No, you didn't mean it, guys. Don't worry. You're not dinner. Don't worry. Maybe to my cat, though.
I found a rooster.
Where's the rooster?
He's right there in the middle, black and white, behind the two browns.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo, friend. Oh, now you're laughing at me. I guess I didn't do it right.
They're pretty vocal, aren't they?
Yeah.
A little bit of water.
They're sunning themselves right there.
It must be their eating time.
They're some of the most active too.
Oh, look at that little piglet. Look at that little pig. These are little swan pigs. Oh, look how cute he is. Adorable. Cute little pig. And there's the mama right there. So he's gonna get big like that.
Oh yeah.
Hi. Hi, sweetie.
Keep going.
How are you? You're so pretty. I like you. What are you doing? Are you eating some food? What are you doing? Oh, you're playing. Are you digging a hole? Oh, you're digging a hole. Wow. Oh, and now you're going with your friends now. Oh, okay.
She started talking to it, so I know it's
You know what I heard there? Oh, you went with your brothers and sisters. No, they're very smart.
I always wanted one as a pet. But like, knowing it get that big, it's like, Look, they're eating.
Oh, the piglets are asleep. Aren't they cute? These little piglets over here are hungry. Bunch of chilies down here. These are chilies. Chili peppers.
I never seen chili in a field like that.
Sounds very not hard.
A lot of things don't work on me. I've been jaded too young.
And Phil's going to throw the chainsaw right behind you and you'll run like a bat.
Take a picture with Mommy.
There.
I don't like cilantro. I really don't like cilantro at all.
It's a good one. You know how you know it's good? Can't smell it.
Avocado. That's a lot of bees.
Confuses their communication.
Yeah.
We are at the pig races, and we're gonna see some pigs race, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So let's watch some pigs race. Yay!
The All-Alaskan Racing Pigs will be tearing up the turf. This little pack of porkers is going to pound.
They're Alaskan pigs.
Bring home bacon. This is a show the whole family will love. So grab a good spot to watch.
She has got a big old pair of ears. Give it up for Pamela Anderson. And in the third lane, wearing the yellow number 3. Oh, he's facing the right way this time. That is something new, folks. I gotta tell you, this is not a smart pig. Just last week, he was invited to a barbecue, and he actually showed up. Yeah, well, luckily for you guys, he got out of there unscathed, because that is just how fast he is, folks. You gotta give it up for Copa! All right, John, I'm going to give you a quick countdown, and when I start going to the channel, it's in the Livestock Conservancy. That being said, here comes the second round of Racing Pigs. This group is a ham. All right, it's a fun group. Let's see what we got. Little baby pig. Let's see, in this first lane, wearing the blue number 6, folks, this is a world famous racing pig. 5-time Grand Championship winner. He graced last year's cover of Snorts Illustrated magazine's swimsuit edition. He doesn't only race, no, he also wrote, directed, and starred in his 2 blockbuster martial arts films. Butch up! There's the bell and the pig now! Alright! Okay, around the corner, let's go! Hoggy! Go, Hoggy, number 1, left down, number 1, of course! She is a model, usually she does not try that hard. Uh-oh, stand on the Garrus. She's gonna say, this is why nobody wants to work with me. It's because I'm slow, no, sorry. Oh, you pig. Okay, guys, the stage is set for that Grand Champion inches, and I think we're going to have to do a little bit better. You see, despite everything he's been saying, this pig really wants to come out here and impress everybody. So, I have an idea, but I want to run it by you guys first. Do we want to go even higher? Okay. Uh-oh, well, no. Dude, higher, dude. We are not in Florida anymore. We can't do that. All right. It's fun, though. Different state, different rules. Guys, we are not going to be having an impromptu barbecue. What we are going to do is take that first hurdle and add it to the second hurdle, making it a double high hurdle, folks. This is impressive. It's actually borderline reckless, so I'm going to need some help. I hope you guys bought your tickets, because I'm about to take you to the gun show. You right there, man. Let's see if you qualify. Show me the guns. Yeah! Do you think he's strong enough to help us out today, guys? That's what I'm talking about. All right, man, this is not a hard job. You can pretty much stay right where you are. You can stand this side of the fence. All you need you to do is support this with both your hands. And give it up for Soapy's Fair! Guys, I don't know if you saw that, but that was the swagger of one confident pig. He came out of that locker room, took one look at that double high hurdle, and he didn't even blink. But as cocky as they are, these athlete types, they still need a little help from this crowd. So here's what we're gonna do. The moment he leaves that gate, you're gonna lead him off with a nice, polite little golf clap. Hey, Soapy, you heard him. Start your engine. That does not sound too good. You know what, though? He's messing with us. He wants a countdown. Do it with me. Ready? 3! Come on, Sophie. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. First run of the day. You got this. The black number 7, that is Lil Hoggy. Jameson section, make some noise. Oh, you guys can work on it, okay. In the second lane, wearing the pink number 5, that's Strawberry River section, let's hear it. In the third lane, wearing the orange number 1, that is Sophie Smith. Camilla section, let's hear it, guys. Okay, and in the fourth lane, wearing the yellow number 3, that is Kobo Dustin section. Let's make some noise, guys. That's what I'm talking about. You all right, Dick? Pull that pin and let those pigs out. Go ahead, Josh. There we go. All right. All right, Jameson, that's right. Celebrate like you should, because you are the grand champion pig race.
Right now we're going into the live pedal north, where we're gonna go look and see some bunnies. So let's go look. Hi, Bunny.
Don't mind her, she's harmless.
Looking at bunnies. I just want to hold one. They're so beautiful. I'm looking at you. Hi, Bunny.
Yeah, that one.
Now I can. Oh, he fell down.
So cute.
He fell down. What happened? What happened? Why did you fall down? He's tired. There's a bunny in there. Hi, Bunny. Oh, there's more. And there's a black one in there. There's a black rabbit. That one has ruby eyes. I like rabbits. Rabbits are so cool. You photograph wildlife. I want to say these are hares.
Oh, he wants out.
He's like, how can I get out of this cage? There must be a way out.
He's like, I see the way out.
I don't know how, but I can get out of there. Hi little chicken.
That one's interesting.
Hi. I rarely see these in our tree when I'm on my run. Yeah.
I don't know if they are the same.
They are the same. These birds fly over my house. Oh, woo! Careful, bird.
Green sheep canoe.
He said, I know I can do this.
He's fighting her like the reflection of himself. 3 months old. He was chilling. I like him. He was like, I'm kicking back here, but they act like idiots.
Hi. How come you're not on the wheel with your friend?
Eating. That's why.
You're hungry? You're just hungry? You're just chilling, huh? You don't want to be like your friends on the wheel. Alright, well, I'll let you rest and eat your feed. Bye. Oh.
Yeah, you're old. So you don't have the big tails yet.
What kind of bird is he? He's not a turkey.
He's a peacock.
That's a peacock?
He's a peacock.
He's a white peacock.
Hello, buddy.
I've never seen a white peacock before.
That's a girl.
I didn't know they came in white. So those were always boys?
That's a boy. Hey, buddy. How you doing?
Hi. You're a curious little fellow, aren't you? So these were the God's world sheep. Him. That's what he is. God's world sheep. There he is right there. There's his friend in the corner. There's a baby goat right there. Oh no, he's a sheep, sorry. He's a sheep. This is where we just came out of right now. And this is the livestock barn. South.
Earlier when I came over here. What's the camera? Oh my gosh, it's so tiny.
Yeah.
Wow. Does it connect to your phone?
It can, yeah. You could either do it without or with the phone.
But do you get good resolution?
Yeah, because you have to have like a mic on it.
That's your mic? Oh my god.
Yeah.
I thought it was something else.
It's okay.
Now it's a juggernaut steel show.
Yeah, what kind of
Thank you for being in our funny show. If you want to do some photo with the rider and the puppet, you can do this so, but please respect the shaman.
This way. Which way are you going?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
It's me, Stevie Oki here with Remix.
Hey, who wants to have some fun?
I can never do this ride. Thank you for joining me on this fun adventure, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!